Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Prime Status, and I'm back at y'all again with another video. So right now, guys, we out here in the backyard. As you can see, I'm gonna let y'all take a look around. So guys, this is where I'm staying at the Airbnb with my team. You already know what's up. So we've been to a lot of live events, you know, in the past couple of days with a lot of millionaires and stuff like that. So it's been pretty awesome, you know, these last couple of days. Trip in, you know, Miami. It's been dope, I'm not gonna lie. It's been dope. Not gonna lie to you, but right now, guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm making me some food right now. So yo, y'all stay tuned for this food. This ain't gonna be a long video. I'm just trying to show y'all what I'm doing out here. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's about to get crazy. So don't mind me. Y'all already know what's up. I got the kill for y'all on the grill. Y'all already know what I'm saying. So that's about to get lit. Got the kill for y'all guys right here. Guys, I got the rice ready right here, guys. Oh my god. We're not playing around, guys. We out here, we're not playing around. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I got me some rice right here. I'm actually cook the rice in this tin foil because we don't have a lot of large containers. What am I also do? I'm gonna add a little bit of corn to that rice, so you know, there's a little bit of niceness to it. So yeah, guys, we out here, we super lit. I'm gonna hit y'all up back when this food is done to let y'all see the product of my work. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? You already know Prime Status back in the building. As you can see, I'm done cooking, guys. The team is out here, bro. Yo, what's up, team? Yo, say something for the camera. Yeah. What's goody? What's goody? Y'all can see everybody enjoying themselves. Everybody trying to get this meal. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Shit, up from 7 a.m. cooking this, man. Y'all already know what's up. Like I said, guys, this ain't gonna be a long video. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think below. Holla back.
Bro, I like the way you did
what's
that,
up, guys?
What it is, what's up?
That was weak. I'm still recording, though.
Yeah, you're cutting that part out. Wait, what did you
No, I'm not cutting it out. It's gonna be in there. Like,
hold on. They out here showing love.
What?
Pokemon is it? They got like 7 different forms. Oh, but what's the original Pokemon?
Oh, there.
I can't remember the name.
They can't remember.
Eevee? But what kind of Eevee? Yes. Damn sure right. It definitely is Eevee. Umbreon. That's Jokesyon.
Oh, sheesh.
Oh, not the hookah.
Guys, we out here today. I'm about to hit Miami Beach. What's up? Let me know what y'all on.
Bro, you think my slippers is gonna get messed up by the sun?
Bro, yes, it's going to be messed up by the sand.
I mean, it's okay.
But I mean, you came with it, so you already knew what was gonna happen. Why'd you do that?
High key.
High key, look.
High key.
Guys, first time on Miami Beach. It's about to be lit. Like, I don't have a towel with me, so I don't know what to expect. Oh, this man already took his sandals off. What?
I'm aiming to my toes.
Yo, stop playing, man. That's crazy. That is the entrance. I don't know, this kind of reminds me of some type of movie. I don't know what it is. Entrance right here.
Hold on, fellas.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Miami boat rental is like my post 4 times.
Miami boat rentals?
Yeah, this place is my boat rental spot.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yo, should I get a rental? Yeah. This looks like some shit Rob is on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't got no jet skis, man.
Bro, I want to. But
We're not getting no
freaking-
jet skis?
I don't think so.
The rental that I have is on the other side of the fucking red shit.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm so dread. We in Miami Beach with it,
Let him know. Woo.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably wilding for these.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie, the beach looks pretty dope right now.
Don't go to these guys. These shit is comfy, though.
For all of y'all who have not been to Miami, Jesus, I made some content for y'all. I'm not gonna leave y'all out, especially y'all back home. I'm not gonna leave y'all out. Look at that. Check it out. Got the palm trees in the building. What's up? Woo. We got some guy that's on what's that thing called again?
Parasail?
Parasail, yeah. Parasailing in L. Oh, we gotta have a mask to be on the beach? Are you serious?
We don't really have it.
Oh, we could go? Oh, thank you so much. We appreciate it. That's crazy. No, right?
It's just the policy.
That's dumb though.
Oh, wait. This part of Miami Beach is an extension of the beach we went the last time, right? Yeah, I think it is.
Except we got freaking TV in the beach.
A what?
Except we got TV in the beach.
That's dope. Guys, we got a TV in the beach. All the way down, look. Nah, y'all can't see. It's like far away. Oh, look, is that the squad over there? What are we talking about? I would prefer to come to the beach when the temperature is like a lot lower than what it is right now.
That weather better be fucking hot.
Nah, I think we should grab a shade very quickly.
You can get a chair as well.
Or a shade. Yeah, right there.
Oh, shit.
You know how I knew? Because I see my keyboard.
Yeah. Hey, y'all better make some noise.
Can I get a bread?
We got a whole bread.
Yo, you're on camera. Say what's up.
What's going on, family? We in Miami. We active. You see the Enterprise family. We out here.
Woo!
Taking the vibes all the way from New York.
Let's go.
To Miami. We taking over,
Let's
family.
go. Yo, talk to the mic. Talk to the mic. Let them know.
Business, we get down to business.
That's
When
what's
we
up.
have fun. You better know that we have fun over
That's a
here
fact.
in Miami. Check it
Yo,
out.
talk to
Yo,
him.
for everyone
talk
that
to
think
him.
this euphoric shit
Oh.
don't work, yo, I'm speechless right now. Like, we
Get
in Miami,
on.
first time Miami. Like,
Get on.
we here, bro. Like,
That's a
tap
fact.
in, plug
Woo.
in.
That's what's a
Enterprise.
fact. That's a fact. Got the whole team on deck. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's up? Yeah, put this in my bag.
Yes, sir.
Ah, I got you.
No
problem.
Go wrong with that.
Guys, the beach looks absolutely amazing. The last time that I came here, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, the last time that I did come here, I did not go into the water. I think
Hey,
ah,
you better come in
Ah.
today.
I'm about to get in that water today, right?
Coming in today.
That's a fact, bro. I came prepared this time. Swim shorts and all that. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna be with y'all the whole time, guys, so stay tuned. My guy got a cigar on the day.
Yo, body, we do boss shit out here. Straight up only boss shit happen out here, man.
Yo, that's crazy.
Y'all not plugged into the big bro right now, man. I don't know what y'all doing.
They wasting time. Let them know.
Let them know,
Let
but
them
they're
know.
wasting their time. They're not plugging into you, family. This is
They wasting
crazy.
time. That's crazy. I'm gonna leave my sandals right here, guys. You already know what's up. Guys, I'm gonna let y'all see this water real quick. Y'all see what's up. Look at it. We got a freaking TV in the water, guys. Come on. Stop playing with that kid. But on some real shit, guys, I'm about to hit the water. I'm about to snap back real quick to let y'all know what's up. Hopefully when I'm in the water, I can do some vlogging for y'all, but stay tuned for that. Alright? I'm fucking slapping you. And not go further out into the water. Like, it will drag you out. The current will drag you out further. Just a point to know. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna spend any much time longer because I'm almost out of battery power. So I'm going to see y'all guys later. Peace out, y'all. Peace out. I do have some extra batteries in my backpack, so I might just restock one of them into the camera. But I am running out of space though. So
Yeah, let's go back.
I'll catch y'all guys later. All right?
Yeah, this way?
Take it easy. Oh, yeah. Y'all going back? Alright, bye guys.
Back move like fuck that bitch like I'm a dog. Throw that hit back, she revolve. Draco get back, I'm in Mars. Paint a picture, she see stars. Used to drive a foreign car, still fuck that bitch cause she your dog. In front on me cause I'm a dog. Flick my wrist back, move like fuck that bitch like I'm a dog. Throw that hit back, she revolve. Draco get back, I'm in Mars. Paint a picture, she see stars. Used to drive a foreign